Are you the best margarita mix? Margaritas are a favorite for many cocktail enthusiasts. A great margarita mix can elevate your drink experience. Whether hosting a party or relaxing solo, a quality mix makes it simple. You can enjoy restaurant-quality margaritas without the hassle. Different brands offer unique flavors and ingredients. List number: Jose Cuervo Classic Limelight Margarita Mix, 59.2 flat ounces. Experience the refreshing taste of Jose Cuervo Classic Limelight Margarita Mix. Perfect for any casual gathering. This 59.2 flat ounce bottle offers a delightful lime flavor. Create delicious margaritas effortlessly. Just add your favorite tequila and ice. Enjoy a classic cocktail in the comfort of your home. Advantages: elevate your party with Jose Cuervo Classic Limelight Margarita Mix. Its refreshing lime flavor is a crowd pleaser. Perfect for those who love cocktails without the hassle. Simply mix with tequila for a quick margarita. Ideal for gatherings. Large 59.2 ounce bottle serves many guests. No need for constant refills, keeping your party lively and stress-free. Quick and easy preparation. Just add tequila and ice. Enjoy a delicious margarita in seconds. Saving time and effort. Low-calorie option. Enjoy a guilt-free cocktail experience. Perfect for those watching their calorie intake but wanting flavor. Versatile use. Mix with other spirits for creative cocktails. Explore new drink combinations without compromising on taste. List number: Mr. and Mrs T Margarita Mix, 1 liter bottle, pack of 4, tangy lime blend flavored cocktail mixer. Discover the refreshing taste of Mr. and Mrs T Margarita Mix, perfect for cocktail enthusiasts. This tangy lime blend offers a delightful twist, ideal for margaritas and mocktails. Made with cane sugar, it ensures a sweet yet natural flavor. Each 1 liter bottle in this pack of 4 guarantees plenty of fun for gatherings. Elevate your drink experience with a mixer that combines quality and taste effortlessly. Advantages: perfect for parties with its convenient 1 liter bottle size. Made with real cane sugar for authentic taste. Versatile mixer for margaritas and mocktails alike. Tangy lime flavor gives drinks a refreshing twist. Pack of 4 ensures you're always prepared for guests. List: Mixers Margarita Premium Cocktail Mix Packets, easy on-the-go vegan and gluten-free mixers. Experience the refreshing taste of Mixers Margarita Premium Cocktail Mix Packets. Perfect for those who love margaritas on the go. Each packet is vegan and gluten-free, catering to diverse dietary needs. Conveniently packaged, these mixers make party preparation a breeze. Simply mix with your favorite spirit for a delightful cocktail. Enjoy quality margaritas anywhere, anytime with ease. Advantages: convenient and portable packets fit effortlessly into your bag. Perfect for travel or picnics. Mixer's Margarita Mix is vegan and gluten-free, suitable for everyone. Enjoy a refreshing cocktail quickly. Just add water or liquor. Each packet promises consistent taste. No need to measure ingredients. Ideal for parties or solo relaxation. Easy to prepare and enjoy. List 4: Jose Cuervo Classic Lime Margarita Mix, 59.2 fluid ounces. Experience the refreshing taste of Jose Cuervo Classic Lime Margarita Mix, perfectly blended for a smooth and tangy flavor. Enjoy the vibrant lime essence in every sip. Ideal for parties, gatherings, or a relaxing night in. Just add tequila for a classic margarita experience. Bring the spirit of Mexico to your glass with ease. Advantages: refreshing taste in every sip. The Classic Lime Margarita Mix delivers a crisp and zesty flavor that's perfect for any occasion. Effortless preparation. Just add tequila for an instant margarita experience. Save time on mixing and enjoy more moments with friends. Versatile usage. Create cocktails or enjoy it as a standalone drink. Its adaptability makes it a staple for any gathering. Large bottle size. With 59.2 fluid ounces, it caters to parties and big events. More servings mean fewer trips to the store. Consistent quality, trusted by many for its reliable taste and blend. Enjoy the same great flavor every time. List number: Finest Call Premium Margarita Ready-to-Use Drink Mix, 1 gallon bottle. Experience the vibrant taste of a classic margarita with Finest Call Premium Margarita Mix. Perfect for parties and gatherings. This ready-to-use drink mix simplifies cocktail preparation, saving time and effort. Each 1-gallon bottle promises consistent flavor, ensuring every sip is delightful. Crafted for convenience, it offers a refreshing blend of lime and citrus. Cheers to easy, delicious margaritas at home. Advantages: discover the ease of the finest call margarita mix. Ready-to-use convenience saves time. Just pour and serve a delicious margarita, perfect for parties or casual gatherings. Enjoy consistent flavor in every sip. The blend offers a balanced taste. No need for extra ingredients. Reliable quality ensures satisfaction. Cost-effective choice for margarita lovers. Large 1-gallon bottle serves many. Great value for frequent use. Ideal for events and celebrations. Versatility adds to its appeal. Mix with tequila or enjoy solo. Experiment with cocktails and flavors. Endless possibilities for drink creation. Trusted by bartenders and home enthusiasts alike. High-quality mix enhances experiences. Bring bar-quality drinks to your home. Perfect for margarita fans everywhere.